okay, Subemi.
Sandra, okay.
It's Choma Apota.
Chinya Wilfred.
Walter Kalada Anga.
I will encourage you to keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching. Nollywood Picture. TV.
TV.
TV. TV. Nollywood Picture. TV.
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 Dear, how is life generally?
My sister, you are my friend. I won't lie to you. I'm managing.
So, have you really found anything serious doing since then?
Since I finished my youth service, I have been looking for jobs, but I couldn't find any.
Oh, wow, what is our country turning into? Doesn't mean it's still very hard for people to find jobs in this country, even after spending so much years in the university. My dear, it's really a pity. It's a pity. So Anita, love, what are your plans now?
My sister, I still hope on to God to do something. I still believe in God.
Wow.
Yes.
My dear, it's really God. But you know, in my own case, it's not easy. This thing of waking up every morning, make sure I'm at work before it is 7:30, and then I have to stay there for the whole day. And then only to come back very late in the evening, and then it's so stressful. It's not easy at all.
But wait, do you still work in that office?
Yes, so my dear, no leave, no transfer. My dear, I just did.
Don't worry.
I just love to give you that normal old trees that I used to give you.
Of course.
Let me get you something to drink now. Okay?
I like the fun.
Thank you very much.
Nana so good. Che.
Hey, are you still like this? Are you still like this?
See, baby, you will not understand. I know what the state government did was okay for the masses, but on the other way around, it's affecting us, the individuals. Can't you see it? See, you know I'm a final year student. I need money. My project is at hand. I need to do some research. You know now.
Look, I will provide all of that. It's not a problem. I've told you times with your number. Stop thinking too much. Okay? I'll provide all those things. I'll give you the money for them.
Must you do everything?
Stop thinking too much.
Must you do? Rosie, how far?
Fine.
See, it has not gotten to this extent.
You don't wish like this. Wow.
Look, I don't like this thing, guys.
What is it that you don't like? Huh? You don't like that our source of income has been blocked. Tell me, if not for this, how do we cope to survive? Huh? How do we live? One, we'll be banned from running double lanes, as if that is not enough. Once it is 7 p.m, no more Okada on the road. Now tell me, how do we cope? How do we pay our school fees? How do we sort out with basic necessities of life?
Look.
How do we keep body and soul together, knowing fully well we come from a very poor family?
I know. See, what the federal government did is for the good of the society.
And it is affecting we individuals.
Yes, but there are other things to do. You can pay your school fees, your house rent and all that.
With
but as
cost.
for this now, I'm going to solve it. I'm going to get food for you.
Baby, wait. Bros,
Yeah.
I beg, check whether sugar demo tidy that.
Sure.
Please now, you guys are embarrassing me. I don't like this. I said I will get food for you. See. Please. I don't like this thing. Let me go and get food for you. What is it?
Okay, wait.
Please.
Drop what?
Please.
Okay, see what we happen. Let's just balance this equation. Fine. You go get the food. while we sort out with this guy, okay?
Understand?
But you have to promise me that you're not going to take it because I'm going to get right to it.
So I don't go first.
Fast. You know, bros. Bring this and we'll tag this guy. Hey! Hey! We're gonna be smarting. As I said, you want to put on play with smooth, you know, the arranger.
Let's go.
I already give now, no sure. Chinwetalu. This one, white like road.
You go to wear glass after you get one way to take the right of character.
Baby.
Hey, what's up?
I'm
Hey, upset.
Wow. I'm looking bad. You look very hot. Sexy. Let me wear a skit.
what's out?
Like this time of the night.
He's not yet back.
Yeah.
Yeah, could you be now? Wow. Aggie. What do you think about this?
Hey!
Be now.
Hi, my baby.
Hey!
Oh!
The king!
Oh!
Nice.
I feel my guy. What's the happen?
Hey!
Give me five.
Oh man, I don't feel something here.
Yo.
Boss man.
Take out. That is the boat for you.
Baby.
Man, they
So shit.
Oh, wow.
It's in the outside though. It's in the outside.
Cool.
It's in the outside. See yeah. And the smell.
Bring that back. Bring that back. What you want?
Even you feel something.
I beg you, no open that thing. Go open that. I want now. Open that.
God.
Open that back.
Hey.
Open it.
Don't lie. Hey.
Open that.
Hey. What you now with the idea? I think this.
Find something there.
What is it? Come on, that ATM card first. Who's what's now? I be one guy else. Shit, boss. What the fuck? Hey!
Boss man.
Yeah, what's it called?
Please wrong you for now.
Now this 10 naira where you just go and start and mess up. Ah, this thing na shit. Fuck. And then how shit. Fuck up. Upon all these sweats.
My God. Because of security purpose. Baby, what you can't give us fake news?
Yeah? I don't understand though.
Me no Joe, this thing no just care at all.
Nah, no fancy.
Waiting. You just fucked my whole movement up today. Fuck.
Wait. Last day.
Just fucked up.
See. Shit. No thing will happen, eh?
This is the wrong information.
I know.
Man, I know if I don't arrange for this thing.
Wait, no thing will happen. I go send Jennifer.
Don't fall my style.
But wait.
Just fuck my style.
Just say this thing no be wrong information.
Wrong information.
Just fuck my style.
This time!
Wait.
Guy, this thing is wrong information.
Wrong information. I know me now.
Trust me. See, I go send Jennifer. This time, but I was scanning. It's been one last, eh? You don't feel free, eh?
I know one drink you should be saying you go just be long. I know I don't arrange for this. This thing now. Wait.
Football, we good. Chineke, Amechi. When did you arrive?
I came back yesterday.
How about your mother?
She's fine.
Yeah. That's good.
Where is everybody?
Good. The same history, the same geography. Akpo and his brother are, as usual, inside, loafing around, doing absolutely nothing. Meanwhile, their brother, Agama, is busy with his Okada business.
Okada business?
Oh, yes, sir. But I don't want to such question. He will just sit at home and eat He eats a lot of mashia, old, wet. This is not Okada. Take, go and do business with it.
Just that he has to be careful because Okada riders are very stubborn.
How?
Because his government introduced the use of safety helmet to save lives. Though the Okada riders use fake ones. Some use industrial. Some use even calabash. Hey! So what we use in my place these days is Dikeh na pep.
Keke na pap. Na pap. Keke akam.
Na pep.
Oh, pep. Oh, pap. Okay.
It's a tricycle. When it has balance on the ground. When you are driving, no accident. That one carries more passengers. Load. Even when rain is falling. He will just be inside there. No.
No, okay. They say you're not fine. My mama say fine. Okay? You know, life has two sides, like a coin. This is okay, na papa. It depends on the reason to your own place. But yeah, we still believe in age-long friendship. We prefer normal Okada. One, it is safer. Our boy is not riding very well. Even our guests now use Okada to carry passengers. Alright? It's cheaper. I mean, wherever the place. When people say Okada, boom, the people don't allow it. It's not the Okada, but the rider. You hear me?
Yes.
See, so that's what we do here.
Everybody is changing to taking a pep. I'm telling you, like I said it is more accommodating. It carries more passengers. If rain is falling now, you will be safe. It carries more goods. It has a boot behind. So that's what is happening now. Yes, I even saw one at main market.
In this town? I thank God that I even told you all this thing and I opened up. I will try that Keke na pap.
That one.
Then let me see. So welcome, Okay. Welcome, what shall we offer you?
Well, any cold.
Agbo? It's not cold though.
Well, I will manage.
Why? No, what do you mean? I'm not daft. I remember na pepe, Keke na pepe. I don't know. So, thank you, bro. Yes, I called this meeting today because of recent development.
Nan, I hope the development is a good one.
Bam. From today, nobody mounts or climbs my motorcycle again. Bam.
Why? Papa, why now? Is it because of the helmet?
You see, at times you start well, you always end badly. Why would have been better, but I didn't think because of a helmet. I mean, she was here yesterday. What he told me, I just turned my head upside down. We are going to shift in paradigm. Paradigm. We are going to shift away from Okada and go into Keke na Pepe.
Keke na Pepe. Yes, that one is even better. Yes. At least I've seen most Okada riders switched over to Keke na Pepe.
My God, thank God. For the first time in your wretched life, you are thinking well, idiot. So you see, like you said, it's right, you know. Funny enough. They say I can't do them. Before then, you, I come and listen.
Papa,
you wash my motorcycle and keep it. No more Okada grip. And you move over to Keke na Pepe. See, you press from here, Pepe. You go further. They say it is safer. They say it is more economical. I say let us try it first. If Okada is still safer, we come back to Okada. If they are Keke na Pepe, it's better than go to Keke na Pepe. That's all. So now, Jesus, this is the end of this meeting.
Amen. But Papa,
I first I boogie the idiot. Now, Jesus, this is the end of this meeting. Amen.
Now waiting where you go see again. Okolo. Helmet na compulsory thing. Everybody must to buy. See Okolo. Every Okada man get his own. Agama own na wahala. Okolo. Trouble every day. I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance. 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond oh. I believe I'm no stopping. Which can human being did this? Everybody just they ask. Oh, boy, see ya. Which can Okolo big pass this one? Okolo now waiting. Okolo. He gets a one man. This man named now Okafo. This man gets a family where every person can get it. But the owner exception, oh, only children now wahala. Number 1 name na Gama, oh, Apu and Apollo. Apu de Pisco.
See the tire, I confirm tire. What's up? See this Napoli, you go there 100 years, this thing no go clean. Come, the shot say this thing. Get side mirror. I don't like to just carry on the go. So how much you sell at the last price?
Okay, as you know, say be my friend, my man, and I know say go fit carry customer come from me. Anyway, shall let you bring 360.
I know fit to. I know fit give you 360.
360. Okay.
I go just packet 350 give you. Come on, 10,000. I didn't know you. Don't go right receive for me. No, on a 350. I know good fit.
Don't say this thing I confirm Japanese and it is strong well.
So, tell me what happened?
My sister, you can't believe this. It was around 8 p.m. in the evening after I dismissed from work now. And on getting to the park, there was no bus, no bike, and not even a taxi. So I stood there for some time now, and suddenly a bike was passing by. I waved at him, he stopped. So I boarded him sharp. On going now, I don't know what, we just bent over one direction. I didn't know where he was heading to, that I had to ask him to stop. He refused stopping me until he got to one point that suited him so well that he parked and then pointed a gun at me. Janie, can you imagine what that thing was? Me and I nearly died. At that point, he sent cold shivers down my spine and I was so scared. The next thing he said was that I should give him my bag. Hey, I had no waste time. I carried the bag, JJ, and gave to him. He took it and ran away. I was so scared. My dear, thank God for me because that bag, there was nothing inside the bag. There was no money. It was only my one phone, one stupid Nokia touch, and my ID cards and one makeup, and small makeup now, you know now. So my dear, and I was also very lucky that day. My friend sent me money from abroad. I did not come back with it. I just left it in the office. Follow me and thank God. Just thank God for me. It was not easy at all. Thank God for me.
Thank God, but my sister, I suggest you take that money in broad daylight to your house. Oh, let us pay it into your account.
Exactly. That's my Jenny baby. Eh? What I'll do is, I'll bring it back to my house and then, as early as possible, even the money that my friend gave to me that I kept in the office, I'll bring all of them to my house tomorrow. So that by next tomorrow, I'll not take it to the bank and pay it. Yes, that's what I'll do.
Okay.
Thank God. Just thank you very much for that suggestion. Thank you.
I'm sorry, my dear. I'm sorry for what happened.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm thirsty. Do you have something?
Yes. I think I've got some stuff in the kitchen. Let me get you. So you like juice drink? Let me get that for you, okay?
Get a family where every person can get yeah. But the owner exception, only children na wahala. Number one them na Gamma, Apu and Apollo. Apu the peace for house, so Apollo the peace for house, so make una see them. Both people when not they shit.
Very
These boys they love you.
Let me come back. I am a man. Can't you see?
I know you're not.
I am now address.
Is that right?
Hello, baby. Hello.
Are you calling me?
Yes.
Are you calling me?
Yes.
Any problem?
Yes. You are just the only problem that I have.
Me?
Yes.
How can? I don't know you before, or do I?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Hey! Apakale.
Hey! See this girl, oh? How many guys have told you that they like you today? And I'm just telling you that you're beautiful. And you're here misbehaving. Idiots.
Beautiful.
No, let me go and deal.
Deal with you.
What?
Let's go.
See me now. Let me go and let me go.
Let's go, my friend. I told you need more orientation. But you wouldn't listen.
But
I've always warned you, if you want to confront a girl, you learn how to dress properly. Look at you. I want to confront that girl. You think she will listen to you? Let's go. Nonsense. Oh. You need more orientation.
Who is that? Who is on my door? Please, I'm coming. Hold on.
We're not here to hurt you. But we need that money. That money that I sent to you, that is what we want. Bring it now! Oh, enter you for the master. Guys! Marvel! Guys, she doesn't want to bring the money. Shoot her! Where is the money? The money! Be fast about it! Where is it? Tiger! Tiger! Tiger!
Never you trust everybody around you. Only trust yourself just the way you believe yourself to be. They may smile and laugh with you, and it's like to bring you down. I wonder why you be saying how your body be the person we go kill you die. Never you trust everybody around you. Only trust yourself just the way you believe yourself to be. They may smile and laugh with you, and it's pride to bring you down. I wonder why you be saying how your body be the person we go kill you die. Never you trust everybody around you. Yeah. Only trust yourself just the way you believe yourself.
Papa. Papa, good day.
Welcome.
That's okay.
Papa.
Excuse me. Hey. All complaints should wait for now. Can't you see that we're about dealing with this Okpa? Hey, Ka!
But Papa.
Ka, my friend, come. And from today, don't call Papa again, idiot. Now, who is senior? Look at your camp. When the bureaus were there.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey! How are you?
I'm fine, please sit down.
Yeah, thank you very much. Hey!
How's everything?
I'm fine, no.
I really missed you.
I miss you. You know something? Your beauty, just increase day by day, and by day.
Really? Are you serious?
Hey, very, very short. Before I forget, I got something for you.
For me? What's that? All these things?
For you now.
My own? Hey!
No, these ones are small. You deserve much more.
Hey, don't be so.
I'm telling you.
I'm very, very grateful. Thank you,
So at least you drink and your body go there refresh.
My friends are very, very jealous of you.
I know. Hi, Adi. Hey, your beautifulness,
Are you serious?
You look like say, take on me, oh butterfly. Hey, don't worry, anything you need, just always call on me.
I will always call on you.
I'll be there for you. Anything you want, just tell me, it will be all yours.
Yes, I always call you. But you know, there's a problem. There's something I want to tell you. I don't know what to say.
Bend your mouth, this side, and talk am.
Okay.
Talk am, just anyhow, talk am. I did that for you.
The thing is that my birthday is 3 days time.
Birthday? 3 days? That is like tomorrow. Then day before tomorrow. Then next and next tomorrow.
Yes.
It's your birthday. The problem now. It will be great. Very great and enjoyable. You know something?
Daddy, I will surprise you.
Hey.
Daddy, Daddy, I'm going to suffocate you with love.
Hey.
I'm going to strangle you with love. I will deform you with love.
I can't wait.
I will incarcerate you with love.
I can't wait for that day to come.
You can't do it.
I can't wait.
For what? You must wait, oh. If you don't wait, who have come down for?
Wait.
Wait, oh. Wait.
Let me get you something to eat first before any other thing.
Wait first. Something to eat. Make that one wait. Make I first eat you.
Hey, I can't myself like that now. You first of all eat food before you eat the other one.
That one? Then they give me strength to eat food. I'm telling you, can they give me strength to eat food?
Give me strength to eat this one now.
Unless you don't start, I don't like this thing now. Do me this and give you me. Or give me you.
I know.
I will come, let me eat. Let me eat. This eating.
Good morning.
What is good about this morning? What is good about this morning?
Nan, who annoyed you this early morning?
Who stole the money I kept in my trousers?
Who must have done that?
Who must have done that? Who apart from you? Where are those useless sons of yours? Akpo and the Mufta. Okay, the devil will be able to.
Nan, no tutua.
Mba, ne na bania.
Oh.
Come on, go back. You and your kids go and find my money. Say back what?
Nan. Oh.
Apollo. How are they?
Fine.
I don't day here. This is just a bite me.
Just a bite
Just a bite me anyhow. How are they? I want to go see one of my friends for yonder.
Okay, for yonder.
They come now.
Come back.
No, I know now. Look when I take care of house.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Bad voice.
He thought that we don't know what he's doing.
Eh? Don't mind them. This man, eh?
Agawa.
Agawa. Now when they can't like they play what so?
Hey.
Soboki, now wetin wey you go see again. Okolo, handmade na compulsory thing, everybody must to buy. See Okolo, every Okada ma get it own, Agama own na wahala.
Yes, come.
Oh baby, what did you say the problem was?
Agama, some guys from nowhere were in the same taxi with me. All of a sudden, they told me I was a beautiful girl.
He was correct.
Agama, I appreciate it.
Fine, correct.
I appreciate it. Just as it was about going further, I objected to it. And Agama, yesterday insulting me. They gave me the insult of my life. Jesus. I was about talking back at them. All of them gave me a very, very hot slap.
What? They slapped you?
Slapped me.
They had the guts to slap my baby, huh? Wait, this side or this side? Yeah.
This side.
Hope they didn't hurt you very well.
They didn't.
Sorry. Hey! They slapped my baby. You see, immediately I got your call, I left everything I was doing and rushed to the scene of the fight. But if I could get there, the fight had ended. They should thank their stars. They should thank their stars that I did not meet any of them there. I would have shown them the stuff Agama is made of. How can they slap my baby?
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. Don't tell me it's okay. How can somebody slap my baby and go free? And you tell me,
It's okay. Hey! Don't allow them to spoil our day. You know tomorrow is my birthday.
well, yes, I remember. I have not forgotten. Tomorrow is your birthday. You have not forgotten. I still remember.
That slap was hot.
Very hot.
I never received that kind of slap. Oh my life.
Sorry.
Come on. If you that I was a strong girl.
Enjoy.
I would have fainted.
Don't worry.
I would have collapsed.
You're a strong girl. There's always a first time to everything. So mark today as the first day you received hot slap. What if I'm not around? Can't you be receiving all this? Enjoy, receive and enjoy, receive and enjoy. Keep them for me. Leave the fat for me later.
So easy.
Hey! Oh, don't worry. Next time if they slap you like this, make sure you collect their address. So if I come back, I'll go for them. They left immediately. Don't worry. Just don't worry. About your birthday, we'll talk about that. Everything is in place. I will make sure. You know Adama. Slap my baby. Slap my baby. Slap my baby.
Everybody just say ask. Oh my dear, which kind of polo big was this one? Oh polo na waiting. Oh polo. He gets a one man. This man named Okafo. This man gets a family where every person can get it. But the only exception, only children na wahala. Number one name Nagama, Apu and Apollo. Apu the peace for house, so Apollo the peace for house, so make una see them. Oh, people we not ashamed. These boys they love woman, but to speak English na wahala. Oh, una don't see where mumu they look for woman. Mumu. Ah wow. Opo keep loss, opo keep. Now waiting
Brezi. Madame, you are correct. Who are you?
Lami, sir.
Madam, well done.
Thank you. Welcome. What you find?
You get a bra of this size.
Of this side?
This size.
Now, so the woman thing.
Madam, forget this. You get a break and look at
I get a more. Plenty serve. Now this one.
This color will good. Will match.
But check this one now. This one better pass. As a woman.
So this one good, You not be woman and I go sabi.
We sabi now. So you too, you supposed to ask me.
Correct. The thing hook.
Well.
A grab and well. Madam, you just say this single size, I don't know. Now like this, Abi.
Yes.
So how much with this one?
600 naira.
This mountain? Madam, if you can't be extra large, how much?
I bring 400 naira.
Madam, I don't get 400.
So you know some money.
That give you
150.
150. How much last?
Last. 200.
200?
Yes.
200 last price? You just say this thing go fit am?
It go fit am well. Check am now.
Take it. Madam, I beg, do me one favor. Remove your clothes. Make I test whether you go size am. Madam. Package and this breast, you go enter well.
Okay.
Last card.
I won't make I see you next time.
No worries, if I won't come next time, go give me correct one. No, they get different
thing go big.
Different size there. They even get this one they call a fried egg. That one way, if you remove the fried, you think go you know go put face for me. Madam.
Like that.
Thank you. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, baby.
Oh, my love.
Hi. You see, I'm going to give you a special happy birthday song.
I've waited so long for today to come.
Before I present my special happy birthday gift.
Wait, I can't wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Agimo. Happy birthday to you. You see, I wish you many happy returns of the day.
Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Oh, baby. Close your eyes. Close your eyes for this special birthday gift. Don't open it too. You're playing for you.
I'm not taking
All right, then. Now, open your palms. Just open your palms. Ta-da! Now, gradually open your eyes. Yes! You can open it.
Agama. What is this?
Gifts.
What kind of gift is this?
I'll check it now. Just check it. I'm sure you like it.
I very like it.
Yes, I made sure it's your size. I made sure it's your size. That's brand new.
A bra? For a birthday present.
Correct. Your size, oh, I made sure I went for your size. The exact size of palm. No remove, no put.
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
Just like that. Thank you. Go come with your hug. Baby. Baby. Aggie. It's like you're not happy.
I'm very happy.
You're happy?
Very happy. I'm extremely happy.
Just remove and put it on. Let me see how it fits. Pull up, pull up.
I should test this thing.
Pull up. Here. Baby. That is money.
This thing?
Bruh, not 10. Put it on. Let me see. Huh?
Going out loud. Today is my birthday.
I know.
And I'm all dressed up for you to take me out. Not asking me to put on this thing.
Take you out.
Yes. Today is my birthday. You're supposed to take me out, not asking me to put on this thing.
Oh yeah, put it on. Let me take you out.
I'm okay like this.
Change. Wear it.
I'm okay like this. I'm dressed up for waiting for you to come and take me out.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Gigs.
Nani, this thing is getting too much.
Get away. Get away, my friend. You are carrying an elephant on your head. And you are digging ground looking for cricket with your food. Your house is in disarray. These children you call my children. They're not my children.
Hey, Nani. Why are you talking like this?
Thank you for that question. And then you take like this. I doubt those boys' genealogy more than us. I am going to submit them for a lab test. Oh yes. Dikeh has gone very far. A lab test will determine them. What do you mean? My mind is telling me that those boys you call my children are bad. Hey, first they stole my money. But don't worry. One day for the thief, another day for the owner. Double wahala for the dead body and the owner of the dead body.
But Nine, they've never one day told me that they are sick.
No, they will tell you for 2 days. You want a sucia, you need a sucia to tell you first that these people are bunkum.
Nine.
Please,
I don't understand.
You don't understand, okay? You don't understand. Okay, man. Double wahala for the body and the owner of the body.
Ada, my sister. Can you believe that's my so-called boyfriend? Give me this thing as a birthday present. Bra. My sister, I was surprised when I saw it though. I was surprised.
This man is really funny.
Very funny. Very, very funny.
Hi. Agnes. Let me ask you a question. What does that guy do?
What he does? He said he's a businessman. He does business, business.
Are you sure? Because that guy doesn't look nice to me at all.
Hold it there. Ada, what's organized? Don't insult my man in my presence. I won't take it from you. If I'm not there, that's a different case. But in my presence, don't insult my man. I won't take that. Please, don't insult my man.
Sorry, but when the time comes, you
I don't want to understand. Is it bad? Okay, let's just change this topic. I don't want to talk about it. So, how are you?
So, I heard you had your birthday.
Oh, so you had. It was very, very interesting. I really enjoyed it. You were not in town, were you?
So, who organized stuff?
Who else? A businessman boyfriend.
Everybody must to buy Obolo. Every Okada market own, Agama own now wahala. Obolo.
Kaliki Ofoye, Kaliki, Anaga. Kaliki, Anaga. Kaliki. Actually, I'm waiting for my friend. My friend, he went inside the market, so I decided to wait for him. Yeah.
I see. I don't want to believe now. See.
I'm not so fast now. You know what? Just sit down. I will drop you.
No, I should sit down.
I will drop you. Okay. One Ofonye Kaliki. Now wow. Kaliki Ofonye bottle lebra. Kaliki Onaga. Now wow. I remember he said he will be staying long because he wants to get himself some t-shirts and trousers and shoes. Okay, you know what? Maybe you will go and I will see you later. I will see you. I will come. Take care. I'll see you. I said at 15 naira.
Na 14 naira. No be Kaliki.
You don't want to go down.
No be Kaliki.
I'm going down without taking a way to
go. Na 14 naira. What you?
Go na 15 naira.
Only you.
You say no hold change. How much you hold there? 100. I go find you, but na 15 naira.
They go. No wahala.
Soboki, now wetin wey you go see again. Obolo, helmet na compulsory thing, everybody must to buy. See Obolo, every Okada market him own, Agama own na wahala. Obolo, trouble every day, I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance, 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond oh, I believe I'm no stopping. Which can human being did this? Everybody just they ask. Oh, my dear, which can Obolo big pass this one? Obolo now waiting.
This is an hospital now.
What are we commenting?
How are you, my dear? Is the lab attendant here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good, thank God. Lab? Yes, my dear.
What are we going to about?
Any problem, sir?
Yes, my dear. Look at them. You see that these 2 boys are very sick. Very, very sick. So I want to know if there's any medicine you can give to them so that they can be well.
Yes, sir.
Papa, I met them on the menu. I don't know them before. I'm a so I want to help the society.
Papa, why is it at home?
Shut up, boy. Come here!
at, see.
But the akara is good.
This 10 naira thing, I say it's akara, eh?
No, it's good now.
Okay.
There's salt on the sugar.
One job! Mouth is like you are eating. No,
man. There's no oil now.
Oil in my mouth.
No.
One job.
Wancho, what brought you here now?
I was going to this level that I will give you notify or visit you.
Oh yes, exactly. You know, previously, you always give us 2 to 3 days notice.
So that we can always prepare something for you.
Oh,
Hey.
What?
Apollo.
Aye.
You have a headache.
Headache.
Aye.
This headache
is more my spine.
Wait.
Apollo, I'm coming.
The thing is even affecting my sensory organ. Come and sit down. Sit down. Huh? Come, babe now. My baby.
Hey! Hello!
Apollo. See you here.
That thing, this akara is too hot.
It was even too hot on my head. It was even wanting to that media.
They look me. Come on there now.
There is something I've been meaning to tell you. It's been on my mind ever since, but I don't know how to say it.
Oh, come on, Agamas. Just, you're free to say anything you want to say. You know I love you so much and you're free to say anything.
See, baby. Well, baby. Will you marry me?
Yes, I'll marry you.
You will marry me?
Anytime, any day, I'll marry you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I love you. Expensive ring, that is gold.
You mean I'm putting on gold?
Yes. How do you want our wedding?
I would like that wedding to be a very, very expensive and elaborate one.
You have it.
I don't want any of our guests to regret ever coming.
You have it. And that is why I've made every arrangement. The wedding gown is ready. I bought even coats for myself. Suits for myself, shoes, your own shoes. I paid the band boys. I even hired DJ. The welfare, the food, the drinks taken care of. I'm even thinking of paying people to come to our wedding.
Okay, baby.
Necessary, yeah? That's very good.
Baby,
yeah.
I wouldn't want us to use a very, very big car.
No, don't say that. When I'm even thinking of using a helicopter.
No, baby. No, you know people and the way they gossip, the way they talk. They will say you're wasting your money on me, spending money on this. Yeah, at least a brand new sports car will do.
You have it. Brand new sports. I'm telling you, you have brand new sports car. I want to make sure that everything is good. So I'm thinking of first week of it. Exactly what you're thinking. So, not worry, as we leave here right now, I'm going to take you to any choice restaurant.
I'm very, very happy. Oh, my friends are very jealous.
They have to be.
Oh, when I don't see where mumu they look for woman. Mumu. Ah wow. Oboki plus Oboki. Now waiting Okolo. And na compulsory thing. Everybody must to buy. See Okolo. Every Okada man getting on. Agama on.
Good day, sir.
What can I do for you?
Okay. So we came to see our friend Stella.
Okay, you are the idiot that is dating her.
Oh, exactly.
Okay. She's inside, let me call her.
Oh, very good. You see, I told you. Let's sit down. Sit down. Don't worry. Don't worry. Sit. I think I told you. Oh. Let's wait for Stella. Hey, Stella. You have to dress properly. See me. Huh? Oh, don't mind. Hey! Hey! Thank you, sir. Hey! Stella! Wait for me now.
What are you? Eh? Idiots. Look at them. Dressed like beggars on the street. Coming to look for my
I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance. 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond though. I believe I'm no stopping. Which can human being did this? Everybody just they ask.
We greet you. Yes, we are greeting you. What are you doing?
No, there is no problem. In fact,
we came with good news. What good news will ever come from the family? Yes. What good news?
You are a very good friend, Agama. He's about to wed.
Oh, yes. And we came to find out if he has given you the invitation.
How can I accept invitation from a family that has contaminated blood? How can? Contaminated blood.
Hey, wait. That statement is too strong to come from a family friend now.
Who is a family friend? How can I be family friend to people who worship Lucifer? Ndị na-efe Lucifer.
Hey! I know you
if you stay here further, and you almost one more second you stay here, and you almost
Okay. Okay. Are you coming to Agama's wedding or not?
If there's any way I can influence Lucifer to be chairman of that wedding, I will do it in Lucifer's name. In Lucifer's name. In the name of Lucifer. In the name of Lucifer.
My fellow, answer your name. Gaya, where? Gaya, where? That is to say, that is to say, production, association, ATM, ABS, Radio Nigeria, I am, let's have power, musician, Gaya, where? When I was on the singing job, listen Everybody coming to the generator. Oh, everybody higher generation. Double them pay. Double them pay, my brother. I have to sit down and do the
If you move now, I move you.
Move.
Make sure that you pack all of them inside. You the craze.
Oboki plus Oboki, now waiting when you go see again. Okolo, and na compulsory thing, everybody must to buy. See Okolo, every Okada man get his own, Agama own now wahala. Okolo, trouble every day, I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance, 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond though, I believe I'm not stopping. Which can human being did this? Everybody just they ask. Oh, I see ya. Which can Okolo big was this one? Okolo now waiting. Okolo. He gets a one man. This man named now Okafo. This man gets a family where every person can get yeah. But the owner exception, oh, only children na wahala. Number 1 name na Gama, oh, Apu and Apollo. Apu the peace for house, oh, Apollo the peace for house, oh. Make una see them, oh, people when not ashamed. These boys they love woman, but to speak English na wahala. Oh, una don see where mumu they look for woman. Mumu. Ah wow. Oboki plus Oboki, now waiting Okolo, and na compulsory thing, everybody must to buy. See Okolo, every Okada man get his own, Agama own now wahala. Okolo, trouble every day, I say trouble every night. Agama need deliverance, 7 days fasting and prayer. This one day beyond though, I believe I'm not stopping. Which can human being did this? Everybody just they ask. Oh, I see ya. Which can Okolo big was this one? Okolo now waiting. Apollo say make he go check woman. He come be say he spray perfume for body. Make una guess wetin he spray. Now he set aside he spray for him body. Another mumu na he then they see. Then they ask now who these children resemble. Oh. But see am say monkey no dey resemble rat, yeah. Monkey dey resemble monkey and monkey dey resemble monkey. Tell me who these children resemble? Monkey dey resemble wetin in a monkey. Hey, oh. Oboki plus Oboki, now wetin wey you go see again? Ogolo. Helmet na compulsory thing, everybody must to buy. See Ogolo. Every Okada man get him own, Agama own na wahala. Ogolo. Trouble every day, I say trouble every day. Agama need deliverance, 7 days fasting and prayer. This one dey beyond oh, I believe I'm no stopping. Hey, which kind human being did this? Everybody just dey ask oh. Oh my dear, which kind of polo big pass this one? Oh polo na wetin? Oh polo. He get one man. This man name na Okafo. This man get a family where every person can get yeah. But the own na exception oh, only children na wahala. Number 1 name na Gama oh, Apu and Apollo. Apu dey peace for house oh, Apollo dey peace for house oh. Make una see them, oh people wey no dey shame. These boys they love woman, but to speak English na wahala. Oh, una don see where mumu they look for woman. Mumu. Ah wow. Oboki plus Oboki.